Wireless Standards. So the Wi-Fi Alliance is an organization that supports and certifies wireless technologies to ensure interoperability between vendors, and it has been instrumental in bringing Wi-Fi to homes and businesses around the world. Early implementation of wireless technologies for network communication were hampered by interoperability issues and conflicting implementations because the IEEE did not have the testing equipment to ensure compliance with its standard. So this led to the creation of the Wireless Ethernet Compatibility Alliance, which is also called as WECA, who were promoting a new higher speed standard for wireless communication, which ultimately became 802.11b. WECA was rebranded in 2002 as the Wi-Fi Alliance continues to validate and certifies wireless technologies until this day in order to ensure interoperability and promote a standard industry. Today, wireless networking technologies used to implement VLANs are organized under the IEEE 108.11 specifications. They are an alphabet soup of protocol that defines the frequencies, transmission rate, bandwidth, and modulation of the wireless communications. So as you can see that in this particular table, we are having these standards and protocols. So in this preceding table, DSSS indicates direct sequence spread spectrum and OFDM is orthogonal frequency division multiplexing. So these technologies refers to how the radio allocate the bandwidth to transmit the data over the air. Again, a big thank to wireless engineers for incorporating this complexity into a standard so that we don't necessarily need to know exactly how this works in order to send and receive packets wirelessly. So as we get into wireless capturing packet from the air, the concept of channel will come into play. So the term channel refers to a specific frequency within either the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz frequency spectrum that the wireless radio on the access point and the client have either negotiated or being told to use for the communication of the data between them. So this is similar to the channel on your TV set. Think analog here, where the station transmits at the specific frequency and the television is configured to receive that specific frequency by tuning it to a specific channel. If both sides are configured to talk on the same channel, then the communication between two devices can proceed. So this is all about wireless standard. In the next lecture, we are going to see what is 2.4 GHz spectrum. Thank you for watching this lecture.